already pre-cut 6.5 inches of brass wire, and this is 18 gauge wire. Okay, take your pliers. I have my industrial pliers that I'm going to use today, but make sure you use jewelry pliers. Okay. I have little toddlers that move things, drop things. So I cannot find my jewelry pliers, but I'm using these industrial pliers. I mainly use these for my really thick gauge wire. Okay. So first thing you want to do, right after you cut your wire, determine where the end is going to be and where the ear. I can't think where where the end of the heart is going to be, and where, let's just say, where you're going to stick your earlobes in, right? Where your earlobes are going to go through. So I'm going to determine that this is where it's going to go through, right? So what you want to do is you need to get a file. I have a file here, right? And you're just going to file it. Because you don't want to get stabbed in your earlobe. So file that one down, and this one. So what you do is you just file, right? And all you do is just rotate it. And then always in the downward motion. So it can go nice and smooth into your ear, not get caught up or anything, because that has happened to me on a number of occasions. Is this the side? Yeah, this is the side. So downward motion. All right. So the next thing that you do, you're going to put them together and you're going to form the heart. So you just squeeze it. Right? So that they're not going to be totally symmetrical. They may, but this is handcrafted, okay? This is handmade jewelry where it's expected to have flaws. It's expected to not be perfect. Do not be OCD, okay? See how quick and easy that was? Quick and easy. Anyone can make this. Anyone. I met a couple sisters that said, oh wow, how do you do this? I can't do that. I'm like, sis, yes you can. Let me tell you, you can do it. Whatever you put your mind to, you can do it, definitely. Whatever you put your mind to do, you can do it, okay? Very easy, very simple. See that? All right, so then next, you identify where you just filed, right? So I just filed right here. So next is you're going to make a distinction, because you do not want to put your ear in the wrong hole. Trust and believe, okay? Do not do that. So you just take the pliers and you bend it. Okay? Just like that. That way you know which one it is. And look how cute that is. Love it. Ooh, you're so cute. Do the next one. This one's kind of in the way. So I'm doing the next one. And just bend it back a little, ever so slightly. And then after that, see how it's a little open? All you do is push it together. Just like that. Now these gauges are a little thick. If you do not have thick, like this one right here, this is my second earring hole. I rarely use this earring hole, right? Got it when I was 15. And when I was 15, it was really irritating. So I barely used it. I barely wore earrings in that earring hole, but this earring hole is like 20 gauge. This one is more like, 18 gauge. It's a bit tough to get it in, but not really. It went through good, but y'all, that's how you do it. Very easy, very simple. So check me out again very soon. Videos will just be like, share, and comment below on what you would like for me to do next, okay? Whatever jewelry that you would like me to do next, whether it be earrings, ring, a necklace, a crown, let me know, and I'll definitely consider making a video on that soon. And my next video is going to be nose scuffs, okay? Shalom, peace, and blessings. Thank you for watching.